Thank you. Yeah, I just wanted to say all the best to all the riders as well. I hope we all get on safe.
We have 6 laps of the mountain course awaiting us, 226.38 miles, 364.2 kilometres, and the Lieutenant Governor of the Isle of Man, Adam Wood, is waiting on the podium there with the Isle of Man flag in his right hand as John McGuinness, crouched over the number machine, goes racing, and the front wheel lifts off the tarmac, and there goes John McGuinness away down Glen Country Road and under the footbridge. That is poetry in motion, that is the race favourite, that is the fastest man in practice. And now here comes the number 2 machine of Ryan Farquhar on the Kawasaki. Away goes Ryan in the bright day-glow orange leathers. And now the very popular man from Northern Ireland is number 9, Michael Dunlop. Oh, Michael, and he veers across towards the right-hand side. Cameron leads on the road, then it's Farquhar, then it's McGuinness, all close together. Fantastic spectacle as they squeak away from us here and head down towards the Pavilion.